Back from the dead.
Hello everyone, I'm Kehaan, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install my newest Minecraft mod pack, Pokehaan Craft 2. If you're new to modded Minecraft, then I recommend that you uninstall the version of Java you have installed and then restart your computer. So first do that. Once you have restarted your computer, then you can go to the link in the description and get the 64-bit version. And it is important that you get the offline version. Now run the file and install it, and once you're done, then please restart your computer again. Now go to the second link, which is the CurseForge launcher link. Now download the launcher. Now run the file you downloaded. Then click Next. Then click I have read and click Next again. And click Next. And click Accept and Install. Now you should see this screen. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. And then click Get Started. Now click on the settings button in the lower left corner. Then click on Minecraft. You can set the resolution here. I usually use this one. After you've done that, then scroll down. And you can now allocate your RAM. If you have installed Java correctly, then you can change it here. I would recommend at least 4 GB of RAM. Personally, I use 8 GB, but you should always have some RAM left. If you have 8 GB RAM in your computer, then you should allocate 4 GB. If you have 16 GB RAM in your computer, then you can use 8 GB. Now close the settings and then click on Browse Modpacks. Now click on Browse Modpacks again. Now click on Search and then write Pokéhaan and hit Enter. Now click on the Install button that is next to the pack. Then click Back and then click My Modpacks, and now wait. Once it is done, you can click on Play. If this is the first time you run Minecraft, then you may need to log in. Once logged in, you can then click Play. You may also need to click I understand the first time, because this is a modification of Minecraft, so you have to accept it the first time. And that's it. The Modpack should now load up, and you can now go in and catch some Pokémons and play the pack. I hope you like it, and well, see you in the next video.
Back from the dead. Back from the dead.